Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure you have Vscode and MD file in an open folder. Once done, open the file and use the command palette, Ctrl+Shift+P, to run toggle preview or open preview to side so you see the rendered output next to your source. This immediate side-by-side view shows how Markdown elements render, which helps you iterate faster. Make sure language mode is Markdown so built-in features apply. Now you can edit and watch changes appear. Now you configure a smoother live preview workflow. Split the editor and use Open Preview to side or the Ctrl+KV shortcut so edits update immediately. This reduces context switching. Enable Word Wrap in Editor. Format on save if you want tidy source formatting while previewing. If you need math, diagrams, or export to PDF/HTML, install an extension such as Markdown Preview Enhanced. Make sure you configure its settings and allow necessary previews. To finish, export your rendered document to HTML or PDF from the Preview menu or via an extension's export command. This creates distributable output. Once exported, commit both source and outputs to Git or use Live Server to host and verify rendering in a browser. If something goes wrong and the preview is blank or not updating, reload the window, disable conflicting extensions, and check file associations and preview security settings. These steps resolve most problems so you can deliver a final, accurate document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.